Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the day 55 of our this 60-day trading challenge and rule-based trading challenge. And today again, I'm actually recording this video at 2:38 p.m. That means the market is still going on, but we are already out of the game. But we made a profits for the day. So this is the seventh consecutive win which we had, which is a longest winning streak. So let's quickly see the what happened today and why did we got out already for the day. So let me share the screen. So the orders per se, like we sold 25,100 put for the day at 9:30. Exactly at 9:30, we sold at 70 rupee 35 paise. And since the premium became less than the half, that is 50% decay is when we start the trailing stop loss, or at post 130 we will take the day low and then we start 50% over the day low is what we trail the stop loss. And this trailing stop loss got triggered at 1:46 p.m. and that is how, as you see, this is a stop loss order which got triggered and we got exited from the trade. And if somebody has got doubt, what is this? Another entry of 25,100. This is a normal order. This is for a different strategy. So you will see an additional entry. But what is relevant for us are these two entries, these two trades. One is the selling, and at 1:46 p.m. The by covering that thing. So if I show you the chart of the on the left side of the screen, what you are seeing is the option chart, option premium chart. So this is a place where we entered, and as you see, from the time we entered into the trade, it was continuously on a profit. That means we could never see the reversals or anything. And as you see, there's another trade which is a different strategy. There is a selling happening here. That is why this arrow is there, which you may see. This you can ignore. As I mentioned, this is a normal order for a positional some other strategy. And but as far as our this strategy is concerned, we sold here and we took the reference of as it started became like I think by 1 p.m. Say this is the 1 p.m. candle. The low is 36 33.8. That means less than the half it had become here. And then this is the place when we started doing the trailing stop loss. And this is the last candle reference. What we took is this is the candle which is of 1:10 p.m. And as you see, the low of this candle is 33.75, and 33.75 multiplied by 50% is 1.5% is 50 rupees 65 paise. So which we had put a trailing stop loss over here, and it got triggered at 50 rupee 35 paise at around 1:46 p.m. This is the candle when the market actually started reversing, and we got stopped out over here. And hence, as you see here on the right side, the index chart, this is the place which where we sold, and it was actually on a slightly again went against us, but the premium never they went again above our price. So it came down a bit, and then it started moving in the other direction, in our direction. And after making a high at 1250 or 1255, 1250 to 1255 candle, it started falling. And currently, right now, it is at 220, so that it is still not gained back. It's the day high is, or nor it has crossed the day low. The day low is over here, but actually, I had taken a reference, meaningful reference as this, but it just bounced back from there, and then it is currently, trading somewhere around there itself. So it's anyway, that's not the relevant point for us. So coming to the trading journal as such, we sold 25,100 put. That's 70 rupee. Sorry, our entry price is 70 rupee 35 paise. We covered it at 50 rupee 35 paise. We incurred a trading cost of 56 rupees 10 paise, which means we made a profit of 14490, that is 1443.90. So this is, as you see here, this is a seventh consecutive win. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, seven consecutive wins which we have experienced now. And so if I take you to the equity count, there's a steep increase now because there's a continuous wins are happening. This is a very unusual, but yes, we are experiencing, and we are grateful for that. Market is treating us very well. And after 55 days, we are now at 19.47% ROI, which is humongous, which is not normal, I would say. Please do not have a expectation that kind of a return from the market, but just that we have been lucky, and we have been fortunate to be in this situation. Even our actual backtest results show somewhere around 4% a month, or 3 to 4% a month, which means around 12% would have been the realistic number, but we are at a very, very humongously high level. Maybe the market face of this market is fortunately good. That is why. So do not look at the P&L, look at the process which you have been following, and just this entire exercise of 60 days is not to boast about the ROI at all. It is about the inculcating a habit of rule-based trading. That's it. Nothing beyond that. And actually, we are supposed to close the 60-day trading by next week. But next week, there are some challenges for me and the personal front. In the sense, I'm just hosting some guests, and will be traveling also. So we will not be able to complete the 60-day complete 60 days of trading during next week, although it is supposed to get over. So maybe we will have to postpone it by next week. The entire this week anyway will continue. That is another 2 days. But the post that Monday will still may be possible, but I'm not too sure. Monday maybe we will trade. But definitely from Tuesday onwards for the next week, entire week will not be there. So this is just for the information, that's all. So thank you so much for your continued support. Have a great afternoon, great evening, and take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow for the 56th day of this trading challenge. Take care. Bye bye.